What is up, South Bay? Today is Friday, November 20th. We are in a big one here in Manhattan Beach. It's multi-level, 4 stories, probably like 8,000 square feet. We're gonna go through and show you all the different processes we're doing. Today we're doing stairs, carpets, rugs, just about everything. This is a rental house that executives will rent for a few months. This client, I think it's from New York, is coming and going, so check it out. All right, so this is the next room that we're doing. This is their bar room. Here's the view. I think it's way cooler than the rug. But here's the rug that we're hitting next. It's 30 feet by 90 feet. I'm sorry, it's 30 feet by 9. Whole area. This is the room that they're the most concerned about. I don't know about you guys, but I see water and ash, and I smell something that smells like an ashtray. That, my friends, is bong water. Dead giveaway. Don't ask how I know. Do you guys remember the bong water? Where did it go? It's way better. So this is the final room. This is like a kitchen, bar, chilling area. We got D on the hot water extraction. It's coming out super good.